Last fall, I took a friend who works in the food industry on her very first camping trip. After a long day of hiking, we arrived back at our campsite happily tired, a little cold from the year's first snow, and very hungry. In the time it took me to set up our tent, she was already well into cooking a 5-star pad thai on my Coleman propane stove. With 3 burners to sauté, cook noodles, and boil vegetables, she cut no corners at all. The smell of simmering pad thai with the sun setting over Colorado's Sawatch range made that meal, shared with my best childhood friend, one I'll never forget. And this is the magic of a camp stove. Today we will present Best 5 Usefull Camping Stoves. Whether you're shopping for a tailgating stove, or a camping stove that can cook for the whole family, a solid camp stove is one of the most important pieces of gear to invest in. I've rounded up a list of the best camping stoves, and will walk you through options that will fit your budget and plans for adventure. Number 1. Campy Gear Chubby 2-in-1 Portable Propane Heater and Stove. Number 2. Gas 1 Backpacking Stove. Number 3. Fire Maple Fixed Star 2 Backpacking and Camping Stove. Number 4. Odolent Camping Cookware Stove. Number 5. Sabre Ultralight Camping Stove. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and add the bell for more future updates.